What's up guys, this is the dad, and tomorrow we are heading to the Football Blogging Awards. That's right, tonight is the eve of the Football Blogging Awards, and tomorrow morning we are heading towards Old Trafford in Manchester so we can be at that ceremony. So it's about 9:30 now. Boys are hyped up because I've got no school tomorrow morning. They're in the bedroom chilling, so we're going to see what they're doing. Let's head over. What's up?
Nothing.
What's up?
Nothing.
What's up?
I was just playing Horizon Chase on my little iPad.
Playing what?
Horizon Chase.
Horizon Chase?
Yeah, it's like a car game where you get to race and win cars.
Yeah?
Yeah.
As you can see guys, the room has totally changed. We've got new lighting. It's not done yet, so I won't show you all. Say what's up, Milo?
Woo!
Hyped.
I'm back.
You're back. You excited for tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Excited.
Lorenzo, what's happening tomorrow then?
Tomorrow is the Blogging Awards in Manchester.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's in Old Trafford.
Old Trafford.
Apparently, yeah.
You hyped?
Yes, I'm hyped!
Yeah, he's super hyped.
I can't even wait.
See Melo's foot bottom and everything. Foot on show. Is that you going on now?
Yeah.
Yeah? You got a fresh trim now?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at that trim. Let's have a look at that
No, I
trim.
don't.
Yes! That back season.
Tomorrow.
When you getting your haircut, Lorenzo?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
You had the haircut he's doing.
The race has started. I'm an idiot. That was your fault, Dad.
So what, you like just chilling?
Yeah, we're just chilling.
Yeah? Alright then. So I was just telling the people that we've got the Blogging Awards tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's early morning. Yeah? So don't go to bed too late. Okay? I'll be waking you up at 6 o'clock for now. Just for the fun of it.
The thing is, yeah, I have to wake up at 7 o'clock just to go to school.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And I leave
woke
at
up at 7 o'clock
7:45.
today.
So that means it'd be no problem getting up at 6 tomorrow then?
No,
An hour.
No,
I need my beauty
I
sleep
woke up
now.
at 7 o'clock today.
Beauty sleep's not doing you any good.
I woke up at 7
That's
o'clock
just
today.
sad.
I woke up when Melo
Sad.
got up.
That's sad.
What are you wearing tomorrow, ma?
I am wearing a suit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tie.
No, I'm
Probably.
wearing like a
If I can
blazer.
find it.
Yeah.
I'm wearing like a blazer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we look forward to seeing you. So Lorenzo, say bye. Guys, say see you in the morning.
Bye, see you in the morning. So guys, it is now morning. I can't wait because I'm going to the Blogging Awards today. But first thing, I need to go to the barber's, then come back, then drop the twins off to Nan's, and then I need to get dressed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hello, Sienna.
Hello.
Right then, so we go to the barbers.
Yep.
Let's go now then.
Let's go. You stay here.
Right, Beans. Right, Beanie Man.
He looks like Bruno from Wolves, isn't it?
Yeah, it does.
I was watching Wolves.
What's he doing?
last night. I don't know. I was watching
Beans.
one where they packed the legends.
Beanie Man. Beanie Man. I think he's trying to eat the camera. Don't you like the camera, Beanie Man? Don't you like the camera, Beanie Man? Oh.
We're in the car now, off to the barbers. My hair needs a good trim because my hair keeps growing straight away when I have a haircut in it, Dad. It just grows straight away, look at that. So guys, I've just got back from the barbers, I've had a wash, and let's drop the twins off and then go to Manchester.
So what do you think of the hairstyle, everyone? Show them the hairstyle. What's it saying?
Nothing.
It's neat and tidy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I love it.
Hello, Sienna.
Hello.
You dancing?
I really might go in my hair a bit.
Dancing. Give us a rap. Give us a quick rap. Quickly. Quick rap. Quick rap.
Okay, I go. A hand in the hair. Got the fish out. Put them over to the flat. Got a vision in the hair. Got a down in the cake.
Hello, Soraya.
Hello.
Are you going to sing a song for us?
No.
What?
She's too shy.
You too shy? Yeah. Go on. Sing a song. Sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
No.
Sing Round and Round the Garden.
No.
How I wonder what you are.
Sienna's doing it.
Around the garden.
Like a
Oh,
diamond
Chippy.
in the garden. Around the garden, little dog. How I
Anyways, let's get in the car and let's get ready to drop twins off.
So guys, we dropped the twins off to Nan's and now we're on the road on the way to Manchester.
You excited?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am.
You are?
Yeah. Can't wait.
We've left out a bit later than usual. We're supposed to leave out about 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, and it's now 4:30. So the sat nav's telling us it's going to take 3 hours to get there. The doors open at 6:30, which means we'll get there at what? 8:30,
I forgot
7:30.
something.
So to hurry up and get there, let's go.
Guys, we have arrived to Manchester United Stadium. Yep.
Yeah, Old Trafford.
Old Trafford, and it took a very, very long time to get here, didn't it? Unbelievable traffic on the motorway. But we are here, guys. The theatre of dreams. The mighty Manchester United.
That's who we support.
Yeah? You happy to be here? Yeah? Let's have a look at that suit, lads. Let's see how you dressed up. Huh? You two look clever. You two look smart. Looking good. Yeah? Should we go inside? It's cold out here, isn't it? Let's get inside, guys. So the Football Blogging Awards is about to start, and we arrived at Manchester United. We're going to go inside now. It's freezing out here. So we're inside the Football Blogging Awards now. As you can see, there's loads of people here already. We're not the earliest. Loads of faces. How are the people?
Some people are playing header and tennis up there.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look then. How mad is that? Tables. Table header tennis. I think I'll win this as well, you know. I'm going to sign up to it in a minute. Any man, doubles. You reckon? Crazy. You think you'd win that table header tennis?
Yeah, my head's big.
Your head's big.
Yeah, so.
So guys, this is our table 44. I don't know who we're on the table with at the moment, so we're just gonna wait to see who's on the table with us. Well, actually before that, we'll go downstairs. Apparently they're doing some football downstairs, so we're gonna go downstairs, see what football it is. We might actually jump in, yeah? Show people what time it is, show them how we get down, how it's done. We've got the mighty Tekkerz Kid here, we've got Mello on the camera, and we're gonna get downstairs, show them how to play football. Let's go.
So guys, we come downstairs and there's football fields going on in that direction.
Okay.
So that's pretty much it. I think there's an interview of
Menzo? Yeah, you want to give us a quick dance for the camera? There's music in the background, give us a dance. You're not doing it?
No.
It's funny because you're all hyped up on the Tekkerz Kid channel. As soon as you come out, you look very shy. Are you shy?
Best football freestyler. You should see if you can have the flash on permanently.
I know, yeah.
See you there. Best
Mad.
football freestyler. Tekkerz Kid.
Oh yes, there's Tekkerz Kid on it.
You're gonna win? No. You're gonna win best football freestyler? Are you a football freestyler anyway? No. What are you then?
I'm just a Tekkerz person.
A Tekkerz person?
Yeah.
Well, you want to be like a professional? You do things
No, like a skiller person.
A skiller person? Isn't that like freestyle? You don't know what you want to say, do you?
No.
Yeah? Okay. Do you want some beer?
No.
Should we go back upstairs now then? Let's go back upstairs now to our table. Yeah? What?
Hesky.
Wow, oh my
Guys,
god.
I just got Hesky.
I'm in your head.
Right, there's cards. There's cards in the bag. We've been given like a gift bag. Here. And Mello's just got a meal Hesky in there.
Oh, that's
The Chuck Norris of football.
Nice.
From one Chuck Norris of football to the other Chuck Norris of football. Alright, let's go look upstairs.
There's Zlatan lookalike.
Zlatan lookalike is over there, he's just walked in. Hair pulling his head up and everything. It looks like he's done it a bit. Yeah. He'd done a thing, outside Old Trafford.
Yeah.
And everyone was coming up to him thinking it was Zlatan.
Really?
Yeah. He was wearing all the Man United kit and everything. And like people were coming up to him and stuff. Crazy, isn't it?
So guys, the buffet is just open, so we're just gonna get a quick bite to eat. Then after, the award ceremony is gonna happen.
That's right. We're gonna win.
Hopefully.
Yeah, I doubt it very much. I'm looking over there and I can see the guy from 442s. If I look past Tara, I see 442s guy there. I can see Kieran Brown, Daniel Cutting, Andrew Henderson just standing there as well. So guys, there's loads of people here at the moment. You think you can beat these?
Yeah.
You think you can beat them?
No.
No. You think you can beat them?
No way.
I'm good at headering.
Oh my god, so what you just done? Sick. No more look, Malo, yeah. I'll do that and I'll bang my head off the side of the table. Do you know what I mean?
Do you believe we just saw?
I know, it's absolutely mad. Just seeing Jordan Henderson, Daniel Cutting and Kieran Brown. Yeah, they're doing some table tennis, head table tennis.
I want to have a go.
You want to have a go?
Yeah.
I might play you a bit later, depends how I feel. You know what I mean? But look guys, the food has finally come out and it is pie. Carrots, you don't like carrots, do you? You gotta eat your veg, Lorenzo.
I'm not eating.
And I've got the same here. Everyone's got the same. So we're gonna eat this food and then basically we're gonna head over.
So we're going to start, but first of all we'd like to show you how the night's going to progress now. So the first things first, we're going to read out the actual award, of which some of you will be involved in. Then we're going to ask the sponsor to come on stage. They'll come on stage, they'll do a bit of blah 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 if they require that. And it's most welcome if you do. If you don't want to say anything, don't worry about it. We'll just get on with the next award. So if you would like to say a few words, feel free to do so. Then we have the nominees on the video screen. And that's where you do your clapping and put on your loser's face, if you can. Practice that. And then the sponsor will announce the winners. And that's the Judges Award and the Fans Award. There you go. Are you all okay with that?
Thank you very much. Let me share this award with those guys and girls that in the early 20s leave everything they know, as I did, to go to another country, to learn another language, to be part of another culture.
Just wanted to say thank you to everybody who was here for it last year, and it's doubled in size in 1 year. A lot of you guys are a massive inspiration to me because you've obviously started up and done the hard work to do something yourself in a pool of banal, middle-of-the-road pundits that turn up and talk about football. You guys genuinely add a freshness and innovation that is inspiring.
Okay, on to the next award. No pressure on your speech if you win. So the next award is the Best Football Freestyler. And we'd like to welcome Adidas to the stage, or Adidas to the stage. Adidas.
Either way, Adidas.
Either way. Do you want to speak? No?
Not really, no. Tonight's about you guys, it's not about us. You've had enough people selling to you tonight, so it's all about you guys.
Okay, lovely. Let's see the nominees.
winner of the Judges Award is good friend of Adidas, Andrew Henderson.
And the winner?
And the winner of the Fans Award are the F2 Freestylers.
Damn, I didn't win. It's always next to
So I just got Andrew Henderson won for the judges, and for the fans, the F2 Freestylers were going to win. Yeah. It's pretty obvious that the F2 was going to win.
Ow. It's him, he's walking really slow. Is this way, Lorenzo? Which way is it? That way? This way? That way? This way.
So guys, I'm back at home. It's really late and I'm so tired. I didn't win, but I was really happy to be there though. So I'm going to bed now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you soon. Tekkerz Kid out.